Hey foodies, welcome to Siddha Can Cook. Today's recipe is Macronizza or the mac and cheese pizza. It is a very easy recipe. It doesn't need any sauces, that means base sauces or any other ingredients. Only we need the mac and cheese, mozzarella cheese and the pizza base. So let's start the easy process of making pizza dough, then layering and baking it. So let's start with it. First we'll prepare the yeast free dough. Take 1 cup of maida. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda and 4 tablespoons of milk powder. 4 teaspoons of milk powder and salt as per your taste. Mix it with a spoon. Make a well in the center. Add some fresh yogurt. Mix the yogurt with the maida or all-purpose flour. Add some lukewarm water. Don't use cold water. Here I am using an electric beater with the dough attachment. You can use your hands to make the dough. 2 tablespoons of oil so that the dough is smooth and does not dry out. Add little bit of oil and let it rest for 1 hour. We are adding oil so that it will not dry out. Let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take a chakla or a cutting board. Add some maida with some cornmeal, which is best. Cornmeal is also known as makki ka atta. Knead the dough for 1 to 2 minutes, then make 2 portions of it. By this recipe, we can make 2 pizzas, medium sized. Roll the dough with the rolling pin in your desired size and consistency. After rolling the dough, apply some melted butter, then take a wire rack or a pizza tray. Place the dough on the pizza tray or rack and add the topping, which is mozzarella cheese and the macaroni or the mac and cheese. Place it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes or until the pizza base is cooked very nicely. After nearly 13 to 15 minutes, our pizza is ready or the Macronizza is ready. Cut it into 8 slices. The pizza is very cheesy, very soft. The taste of macaroni is coming out very nice. If you want to see the recipe for macaroni, then click on the iCard above or in the description box below. The link will be given. The pizza is very delicious. It doesn't need any kind of a sauce. The base was perfectly cooked. We do not need any sauces because the macaroni was very creamy and very cheesy. The addition of mozzarella was giving a perfect pull out to it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then give it a like. If you dislike the video, then give it a dislike. Share the video with your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside it to get notified as soon as I post my new video. For the ingredients and the measurements, check out the description box. Follow us on our Facebook page and Instagram account named as Siddha Can Cook. Check out the videos here. Subscribe to my channel here. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and happy cooking.